Happy Thanksgiving!
With Thanksgiving coming up, we know you're going to be super busy with all the cooking. The Tofu Chef has come up with an interesting, quick Thanksgiving hors d'oeuvre that not only will free you up some time, but also impress all your guests.
We are the
Tofuchef! Let's present to you, ta-da, the Japanese-style tofu rice cake wrapped in roasted seaweed.
Here are all the ingredients you need. 200 grams of firm tofu, 100 grams glutinous rice flour. It's a flour form of what we used in last episode of sticky rice pearl tofu balls. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce or amino liquid. 1.5 tablespoon of mirin. It's a type of rice wine similar to sake, but with a lower alcohol content and higher sugar content. A pinch of salt for flavoring, some seaweed cut out to your liking.
Crumble firm tofu using your hands. Don't forget to press and drain the firm tofu ahead of time.
Adding mirin, soy sauce for flavoring.
Gradually adding sticky rice flour or glutinous rice flour. Constantly feel the texture. You want to achieve the final texture just like how you feel your eardrops.
Taste the mixture and add salt accordingly. Form the final mixture to an oval flat shape. Remember to make each portion the same size so they can be cooked evenly.
Boil some water, gently putting all the tofu rice cakes. Handle with care throughout the whole process because they are very fragile and can be very sticky.
Once you see the color has turned into slightly golden brown, you know it's done. That's the glutinous rice flour that's doing the trick. Drain the cake using a sieve and set aside.
Heat up a skillet with some oil. Pan fry them on medium heat. Once they turn golden brown, they're done.
Before final plating, roast seaweed as well. It can give you a crispy and fragrant flavor after heating.
And now plating. Ta-da!
So obviously, it's so tasty that we finished most of it and only have one left.
Hope you enjoyed this episode of Tofu Chef. See you next time. Bye.